Hi, I'm Amelia, and in honour of National Donut Week, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious protein donuts. People often think of donuts as a naughty snack, but with a few tweaks and some Forever products, they can be the perfect guilt-free treat. To make these delicious donuts, you will need 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of oat flour, half a cup of Forever Lite Ultra and vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of Forever bee honey, 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, half a cup of almond milk, and for the topping you will need 4 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter and some chocolate chips. It's also best to use a donut pan to get the right shape for your donuts. In a bowl, whisk together almond flour, oat flour, Forever Lite Ultra, baking soda and baking powder. Stir in the eggs, Forever bee honey, coconut oil and almond milk. The mixture should be thick, but if it's a little lumpy you can add a splash of milk or water to loosen it up. Spray your donut pan with cooking spray, then pour your batter into your donut pan. Be sure to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius before you start. Then simply pop it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until it's a lovely golden brown colour like this. Once you've allowed the donuts to cool, you can add some peanut butter and chocolate chips to add a little extra flavour. And there we go, our delicious guilt-free protein donuts.